Good morning, class. Today we shall study a new chapter, the pronoun, chapter 4. In previous classes, we have studied phrases and clauses and its exercises. So, today we shall start a new chapter, pronoun. You have been studying the definition of pronouns since class first. That first I shall tell you the definition of pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun to avoid the repetition of noun. You know, pronoun is used in place of noun. Means where we use noun, we can use pronoun. And it is also used to avoid the repetition of the noun. बार बार noun के प्रयोग से means repetition of noun. So, in following example, you can see Sunil Gavaskar is a great cricketer. Sunil Gavaskar is a great cricketer. Sunil Gavaskar has captained in Indian cricket team. Sunil Gavaskar's apostrophe s, that is a possessive noun. Sunil Gavaskar's, that is a possessive noun. So, Sunil Gavaskar's son is also a cricketer. And now, according to the definition of pronoun, we can write these sentence in following way. First, you can see Sunil Gavaskar is a great cricketer. So we can write same this. Sunil Gavaskar is a great cricketer. In second sentence, you see here, Sunil Gavaskar has captained the Indian cricket team. Because we are talking for the same person, same noun, so we can write he in place of Sunil Gavaskar. And he is a pronoun. So he has captained the Indian cricket team. In third sentence, Sunil Gavaskar's son is also a cricketer. And here, his son, in place of Sunil Gavaskar's, we can write his. And son is a noun. So his son is also a cricketer. So it is clear that pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun to avoid the repetition of noun. You know, he, his, we have used in place of a noun. And it also avoids the repetition of noun Sunil Gavaskar. When we talk in every sentence, we write every sentence Sunil Gavaskar. And this pronoun has removed the repetition of the noun. So, this is all about the definition of the pronoun. Now, we have to study the kinds of pronoun. The pronouns are divided in following types. First, personal pronoun. Second, reflexive pronoun. Third, relative pronouns. Interrogative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. Distributive pronoun. One type of pronoun is also reciprocal pronoun. That's means, but it is not in your syllabus. So, first we shall take the first type of the pronoun, first kinds of the pronoun, personal pronoun. A personal pronoun describes or indicates a particular person or thing or persons or things. Means a personal pronoun describes or indicates a particular person or thing or persons or things. It is of three types. Personal pronoun can be divided into three categories: first person, second person, third person. You know, in first person, I, we, my, mine, me, us, our, ours. Ours is not here, but ours is also ours. is considered in first person. In second person, you, your, yours is the second person pronoun. And in third person, he, him, his, she, her, it, its, they, them, their, theirs are the third person pronoun. Means personal pronouns can be divided into three category. Let us see, look at the chart that I have explained in this chart. I try to make you understand through this chart. First person pronoun. Person, this is the heading. Person, subjective, objective, possessive. Each person has three case. Each person has three case: subjective, objective, possessive. It means first person I. I is the subjective form of the personal pronoun. And me is the objective form of the personal pronoun of I. Me is the objective form of I. And my and mine is the possessive form of the personal pronoun I. So I, me, my, mine are the personal pronoun that are used for the singular person who speaks, who deliver his statements. When the speaker is singular, and when more than one person say something, we use the plural of first person we, and its objective form is us, and possessive form is our and ours. Second person subjective form you, and objective form is also you, and its possessive form your and yours are. Third person, he is a subjective form. In third person, there are three words: he, she, it. He, she, it. And he is subjective form, and its objective him, and its possessive his. She is a subjective form for feminine gender, and he is the masculine gender. She is the feminine gender, and she is the subjective form of feminine gender, third person. Her is the objective form of the she, and her and hers are possessive form of the she. It is the neutral gender, and it is a subjective form, and its objective is also it, and its possessive is its. So I try to make you understand through this chart that this particular type of the person has a particular objective and possessive form. If we have used I in the sentence, and we have to use its objective form, then we take me. And if we have to use possessive form, we have to take my and mine. Such, if subject is we have to use its objective us, and if possessive, our and ours. In such way, you is subjective and you is objective same, and your and yours are used for the possessive. In third person, he is subjective, and its objective is him, and its possessive is his. She is subjective, and her is objective, and her and hers is the possessive. It is the subjective form of the neutral gender, and it is also objective, and it is the possessive. So in this kinds of the personal pronoun, I tried to make you understand about the personal pronoun. So I hope that you should study the first definition of the pronoun, and kinds of the pronoun, and also the explanation of the first type of the pronoun, kinds of the pronoun, that is a personal pronoun, that I have explained thoroughly through this through this page and through this chart. So I hope that you will revise, and if you face any problem you can ask me through the WhatsApp message, and then in following class I shall tell you the rest of the kinds of the pronoun. Thank you class. That's all in this class.